Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear friends, in this video I will show you how to create a world map or a field map in Microsoft Excel. It is a very easy method, and I hope you will enjoy the video. So let's start the video. In my previous videos, I showed you how to obtain data from a website. Just like here, I have a website Worldometer, and currently I have opened a page where you can see the list of countries along with their population in 2020, and there are some other parameters like yearly change, net change, density, land area, migrants, fertility rate, and others. Okay, so to create a world map chart, we will need some geographical type data like countries, like provinces, like cities, so that Microsoft Excel can translate it as per the real map. Okay, so for this video, I will be using the data table on this page in my Microsoft Excel. So let's copy the link of this web page, and we go to the Excel file, and on the data page, data option, we will click on from web. It will ask me about the URL, so I'm simply going to paste and click OK. Once I click the OK button, it will show me all the data available on that web page which I selected previously. So let's wait for a few moments. Like here, we see two sections. One is the document and other is the table 0. So basically this is the table we are interested in, and we want to import this data table into our Excel file for creating a world map. So we will simply uh, we have two options here. We can simply load the data as it is with as many columns, as many rows, or we can transform the data. So for this video, I'm just going to load all the data as is, as it is being shown in the window, preview window. So click on load. Once you load the data, all the data available in the table will be loaded and populated in your Excel file here. See, you can see all the columns, country, population, yearly change, whatever. All the columns and all the rows are available in our Excel file now. We now have our data in our Excel file. So the next step would be to create a world map. Microsoft Excel has introduced a new chart type called field map. To see that option, we will go to the data window, insert menu, insert tab, and here you can see an option called maps. Click on it, you will see a field map option. So there are two ways to populate your map. The first method is to select your data and then click that option, or the second option is to click that option first and select your data later. So it will work both ways. So let's select our data set, just like here. I have not copied or selected all the columns, just few of them. Okay, so here is our list. Now I go to maps, click on field map, and here we have got a world map before our eyes. So to make it more meaningful and interactive, we will modify its options, just like double click your chart, go to chart options, go to series. Here you can modify some options like map projections, various types, Mercator, Miller, Robinson, whatever you as per your liking. So I will leave it to automatic. Map area only regions with data or world. Let me show the world. And third is the option for map labels. So show all either or best fit only. Okay. So here, these were the basic options for series options. Now let's control the colors. You can modify the color tone here. I am selecting three color tones. Lowest value to the green, and middle value to some yellowish tone, and the higher value to red color. So basically this map is basically showing the population worldwide in 2020. So I'm trying to highlight the countries with the most population in red color and with the least amount of population to the green color. Okay, so I have modified these color schemes for series color. You can now see that you are seeing multiple colors in your chart. Now to make labels to work, because we don't see any names being popped out here, so let's go to the plus icon, go to data labels, click on it and click on more data label options. Here we will choose category name, and once you click on category name you will see that you are now seeing both the country name and their population value on the map, right? So what we can do simply cut this chart from here, because our spreadsheet also contains data. So we will move this chart to the next worksheet by cutting and pasting it. So let's wait a while. Okay, it has been cut from there. Now we will paste it here. Taking some time, because it is basically using the live Bing Maps by Microsoft. So it may take some time depending on your internet connection and your data. So now if you move over mouse your to different regions, you can see their names and populations, just like here. Here you can modify other options as well, like legends and other things. Let me show you. Chart options, legend, and here you can select its position, and you can avoid it to overlap or just show inline. Okay, so it was about the legend. Here similarly you can modify other components like chart title, its margin, its alignment, and other options. So basically here we have created a live field map in Microsoft Excel using data from one of the websites showing the list of countries, population in 2020. So guys, it was a very easy method to implement and create a world map chart in Microsoft Excel. Basically these type of charts are very useful while you are trying to present your data region wise. Just like if you are work for a sales company or sales department, you can show your region wide sales, country wide sales in your world map. And if you are a health worker or you work for the work as a doctor or a health worker, you can show the impact of the disease over different regions. I think you are getting my point. So basically it is very encouraging and very useful to use these type of field map charts in your Microsoft Excel. So basically now we have created our chart successfully. Let me show you again. Here is the data in our table 0, and if any of the data is changed here, you will see that the change will be automatically having an impact in this chart. So what we will do, just let us change something for a country. For a country, let's go to China. China. Here is the China, and its population is being shown here. So let's change it to a figure just like here. So once we change the data, you see here that the impact and the change has been immediately implemented in the chart. So this is your basically live chart. You can place it on your dashboards to create interactive dashboard and a summary of your sales or your data set, whatever as per your liking. So it was for this video to create a world map. It was very easy. Once you have a data, you can simply insert the map chart by clicking on insert, go into maps and create a field map chart. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel already, please do subscribe it and like my videos, and let me know about your opinion on my videos. If you would like me to create tutorials on different other options and features of Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Office, programming, database, web development, whatever, leave in the comment section. Please see you till the next video. Have fun. Bye bye.